What's happening, everyone? Welcome back to another video. This time no big car updates really. Me and Spence picked up some key work at the start of the week, so we've been really busy with that. Plus the back end of the week we also had a little project at my house. So this flower bed is something my wife designed. It's going to be like clad in wood and have shallow steps and lights and all sorts of stuff. It's going to be cool when we're finished, but we just had to get the main structure up. Now I had a load of blocks of another project left over, so we just decided to build it out with that. And this thing is, so far, it's probably only cost us about 20-30 quid in sand and cement, so to win out in terms of the finances. And yeah, it's animal farm around here at the minute. A little note about social distancing, if you're concerned about it on the video. Me and Spence work really close proximity. It's nigh on impossible to keep it, but we did have a job at the start of the week where we had to be together, in the same room, all the rest of it. So we thought, if we might as well just see the rest of the week out. So we've been really sensible with the social distancing. To be honest, I don't want them anywhere near us, in all honesty. But yeah, so don't go wild. We are being sensible about it. But we might as well get this project built, seeing as the good weather's here, mightn't we? Big block? Big block. What's good about big block?
Big block? No, that's what they call them in Australia, them barrel things. Big block.
I don't get you.
Big block engine, LS engines.
That's a big block, is it?
Big block.
Oh well.
A big block in the Gulf. Big block.
You crack shit.
Try to avoid using so much plastic and save lives.
Been doing some jobs in the house as well. We've got this nice foldy thingy majiggy in the cupboard, but it never works because the rear mount's knackered.
Alright, I've got it. Right, that's the one.
There's like a collar that slides over this pipe at the back and it's always coming off, and it does the wife's head in, and I'm sick of her telling us to fix it, to be honest. I'm like, keep on saying, you don't have to remind us every friggin' few months, you know what I mean? I'll get to it eventually. Actually, the hole that it goes in looks about 4 or 5 mil, something like that. 4 or 5 mil, something like that. 4 mil dowel pin. have a go. Blatantly just dowel pinned my kitchen. Right, let's get these t-shirts handed out then. So thanks everyone who's left a comment. I've read every single one of them. I really do appreciate all the inputs, all the banter. It's been really cool to get so much engagement, to be honest, in the videos. It's nice just that people watch them in the first place. So we'll do the t-shirt giveaways now. The first video was the bottom end assembly, and I've got my daughter here to actually give the t-shirt name out, because I thought it wouldn't be fair if I chose them, because, you know, obviously some people I know. So come on, Kendi, that's actually quite a nice jumper, isn't it? That's a nice jumper. So come on then, who are you going to pick from the first video?
I think I'm gonna go with Tony White.
Tony White. Why are you gonna choose Tony White? Hi Tony. Obviously, I know Tony loosely. It's nice to talk to you every now and then, Tony. And I didn't choose that, by the way.
Because he says he can understand what we're saying because we're from the northeast.
So well done, Tony. Thanks very much for commenting, getting in touch, all the rest of it. I really do appreciate it. You are the first winner, and the next winner was the one where I dowel pinned the crank, and you left messages for Spencer. So I think we'll actually ask Spencer who he would like to win that one. Right, WhatsApp.
How are you today?
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Can you see the camera?
Can I see it?
Hi.
Yeah.
All right. Well, you're on video call now. Do you want to go landscape? Bosh.
Is that better?
It's alright, don't forget to smile though.
Alright.
So, the winner of the second t-shirt from the dowel pin of the crank video, they were going to leave some nice messages for you, so you've had a look at them, aye?
Yeah, Kira picked it.
Kira, alright, so your daughter, yeah?
Kira picked it.
Right, come on then, who's going to be the winner?
What was the winner, Kira? It's so like Matt.
It's so like Matt.
It's so like Matt has won.
It's so like Matt, so thanks very much. It's so like Matt. You won the t-shirt.
There.
So why did you pick that one?
Why did you pick that one, Kira?
I liked his comment.
I liked his comment.
Alright, she liked your comment.
Complimenting the, you know, the better part of banter, you know.
Alright, so it's been nice to speak to you. Ta-da. Bye-bye. Ta-da. Don't need them in this round, yeah, honestly. No chance. Last one then, third t-shirt, the one of the STROKA MOTAA final video. This time, again, we're going to head back to Kendi, so what we got then?
Gorka Krezik.
Gorka Krezik.
Yes.
Apologies if we're...
Very sorry.
Very, very sorry if we're mispronounce your name. Really do apologise. And why are you going to choose
From Bosnia.
From Bosnia. Oh, this is the one that... Blah, 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 blah. Ah, yeah, Gorka's from Bosnia and Herzegovina. He's actually from Mostar. And I was speaking to him, I think it was about a week ago, something like that. Because we actually went to Mostar on holiday. So it's really, really beautiful part of the world. So get yourself there if you want to try. So Gorka, apologies if I got your name wrong. Our English isn't great. Well, Bosnian's even worse. So a t-shirt will be on the way to you. So what I'll do is I'll actually get in touch with each and every one of you separately. I'll send you a little message. And you can get back with your t-shirt size and we'll get the t-shirts out to you. So thanks everyone who has actually done it. Thanks everyone who's bought them. We really do appreciate it. It's great. It's nice to see that. Mine little ramblings. What's that you enjoying?
Children can wear them.
Children, buy your kids.
My friend has one.
Buy your kids t-shirts and jumpers. Honestly, they'll love it. It's official decimal tenths merch. It's the shizzle. Anyway. Thanks everyone for watching this little video just to get the t-shirts out there. Really do appreciate it. Normal programming will resume and we'll get back to cars. But until then, Kendi, what would you like to say?
Stay safe.
Stay safe.